Wait, so are you hungry for some bites? Or some bites? What kind of bites do you want?
A bite.
What kind?
A bite.
Do you want a wingly? Oh, do you need some chicken?
Chicken.
A chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken. Yeah, that's how we say chicken.
Buckle.
Huh? Oh,
Buckle.
a peanut butter?
Buckle.
Yeah.
A buckle.
Okay, let's get some chicken.
A buckle.
Are you ready for some chicken?
Buckle. Buckle.
Chicken.
Daddy.
Chicken.
Buckle.
Let's move this one. Mom. There you go. Oh, how sweet. What?
We're gonna go home.
Oh, we gotta sit down. Mom. Now we'll even get your fork and the belt.
The dog.
Your belt.
The dog.
Yeah.
Baba.